Yesterday we are discussing about the trigonometric ratios and the Pythagorean triplet. That means the Pythagorean problems. Okay, na? Now we are discussing the same, continue with the previous class. Now one problem I am giving here. 3, 4, 5. This is A, this is B, and this is D. Now find sin A, cos A, tan A. Right? Next, second question. Sin C, cos C, tan C. We have to find these two. Right? Now the solution is started here. First, according to us, which one we have to take the acute angle? This one is an acute angle because it's a fixed angle, it's a right angle, it's 90 degrees. The rest of the two are acute angles, but we are taking this one is a theta. And this one is opposite side. This one is adjacent side. The length is called as hypotenuse. Now I am writing here. But opposite side is 3. Adjacent side is 4. Hypotenuse is 5. Now write sin A is equals to formula opposite side by hypotenuse 3 by 5. Right now, and the cos A is equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side means 4 and this is 5. Next, tan A is equals to what? Opposite side by adjacent side. Then 3 by 4. This one is clear. But we are facing problem here. Sin C, cos C, tan C. Here we have the A. That means it's an acute angle. This is correct. Right? But when you want to find the value of C or sin C, then it is not an acute angle. C is not an acute angle because according to this we are taking here. Then what we have to do here? No problem. Just we have this type of triangle now. Rotate this one like this. Now I am rotating. Okay? Listen carefully. Now I am rotating like this. Then A becomes C. C becomes A. Okay now? The B is a constant. It's a right angle. And now AB is what? 4. Right here. And what is the BC? BC 3. Then what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is the lengthiest. Now this is become an acute angle. Is it clear? This is becomes an acute angle. Now right here. Right, we can write the sin C. Now write what is the opposite side here? According to this, this is the opposite side. What is the adjacent side? What is the hypotenuse? 5. Now write sin C, cos C, tan C. What is the sin C value? First write the formula opposite side by hypotenuse. Right? Now here, what is the opposite side here? 4. What is the hypotenuse? 5. Right? Cos C. Cos C means write the formula adjacent side by hypotenuse. This is adjacent side, this is hypotenuse. And this is we know the opposite side by adjacent side. What is the opposite side? 4 by 3. Is it clear? Right, note down first. Pass it and note. Okay? Note these problems for a homework. Costly. Pass it in. Now the next problem. Okay? The problem was if cot theta is equals to 7 by 8, then find 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta by 1 plus 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, and the second problem 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. These two problems are important. Now listen. First, what we have here, the theta, no problem. Now I am writing here cot theta. Given that cot theta is equals to 7 by 8. According to this, draw a right angle triangle and here the theta, no problem. You can take anything, A, B, C, problem. And here we have the acute angle, opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. Now cot theta is adjacent side by opposite side, adjacent side by opposite side. In these three, which one is an adjacent side? This one adjacent and this one opposite. Now we have to find this one. How can we find? Using the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, na? Directly write Pythagoras. I am writing directly. Hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. Hypotenuse square we don't know now. Directly write what we have, AC square. And the opposite square means 8 square. And the adjacent square means 7 square. 8 square means 64. 8 is the 64. And 7 square means 49. Here 130 AC square. When we send the square to that side, it becomes the root. That means we can write AC is equals to under root 1 1. Okay. Now listen. Look at the hypotenuse. Right? Right here the sin theta value. Sin theta means opposite side by hypotenuse. What is the opposite here? Right here. And the hypotenuse was under root 113. Next, cos theta, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Which one is the adjacent side here? This one. And right? Now substitute in this. First 1 minus sin theta. Write once again 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta. Here 1 is 1 only. Listen here once. A minus b and it is a plus b. Here now a minus b into a plus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square. It will look like now listen. This a, it is b. A, b. Alright. 1 square minus sin square theta. Here same. 1 square minus cos square theta. 1 is 1. Instead of sin square theta, what is the value of sin theta? 8 by 113 power 2. And here also 1 minus 7 by 113 whole square. Right? And listen, the next step. 1, 8 square, 8 is the 64. Here square root get cancelled when we write the individual. And here also 1 is 1. 7 square means 7 7s are 49. But under root square and root get cancelled. 113. Then the next step, take the crisscross. 113 into 1, 113 minus 1 into 64, 64. And here also 113 is 113, 113 minus 49. And this denominator is cancelled. Then remaining here 49, here 64. That's it. And this one is the homework. Okay. In a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B. First, draw a right angle triangle here. This is a right angle triangle now. Right? In the right angle triangle at what? B. Thus, we can write A, this one C. Okay? Right. Now, tan A is equals to how much? What is the tan A value? Under root 3. Tan A value is under root 3. And I am taking the denominator is a 1. Not a problem now. Good. And this is the opposite side. This one is the adjacent side. Right here. In this 3, which one is tan A? It's correct. And this is the theta. This one is the opposite side. This one is adjacent side. Now we want to find the AC. AC means the hypotenuse. According to the Pythagoras formula, right here. What is the Pythagoras formula? Hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. What the hypotenuse square is? There is a no. That's why I am writing the AC square. Right? And opposite square. 3. Opposite means root 3. And this is the whole square. And A means 1. Now listen. AC square is equals to square root get cancelled. 3 plus 1 square means 1. And now AC square is equals to 3 plus 1 4. Now send the square to that side, it becomes the root. Now is it clear? Under root 4 is equals to 2. Now write. Now we have to find the sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. We can find directly sin A and cos A, but C is a problem. Okay na? And we finding this one also. Then what we can do here? Just changing the rotating this triangle. Now rotate. First I am writing here sin A value. Sin A is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. This one is the opposite side. This one is the hypotenuse. Okay. Now the cos A, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Right. Now first note it. I'll show. Now listen. Now I am rotating this one like this. Okay. Now instead of A, here C is here, right? And the right angle is B. It's never changed. Already told you now. Then what is the value of AB here? 1. And what is the BC? Root 3. And AC is 2. Right? Now it is a C. That means it's an acute angle. You can write the sin C value. Sin C. Same the formula. Opposite side by hypotenuse. This is the opposite side. Right? What is the hypotenuse? 2. Now write the cos C. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay? Now see here. Don't rough it. Okay? Now question. Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. What is the value of sin A here? Sin A means root 3 by 2. Right as it is root 3 by 2. What is the cos C value? Cos C is here. Root 3 by 2. Plus cos A value. What is the cos A value? 1 by 2. And what is the sin C value? 1 by 2. And listen. Root 3 into root 3. Root 3 whole square. Root 3 whole square means square root get cancelled. We can directly write 3. 2 to the how much? 4. And 1 on the 1 only. 2 to the 4. Then denominators are equal. Right? The numerators write the asterisk 4 by 4. Then answer is what? 1. And the next problem is a homework. The answer is maybe 0. Try it at home. Okay? Listen to that. In this problem, I will explain the first problem. Rest of the problems are the homework. Listen the first. And we know that the solution is started first. Write the given one. 17 by 8. Okay now? According to this, make a triangle. And this is, we know that hypotenuse. And this is opposite side. Because cosec is the reciprocal of the sine now. And opposite side. Taking A here. Why we are taking A here? Because an acute angle. And B is a right angle. Already in question is given B is an acute right angle. And C is here. Right? Now this is hypotenuse. And this is opposite side. Now find the adjacent side. I am writing here. Hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. Hypotenuse square means 17 square whole square. Opposite square means 8 square. Adjacent means AB and square. 17 square, you know, 289. 8 square is 64 plus AB square. Now we require the value of this one. Now we don't need this and send this side. 289 minus 64 is equals to AB square. And that AB square is equals to 225. Then AB is equals to, send the square to that side, becomes the root. And the AB is equals to 15 square. Square root get cancelled. The answer was 15. This is not the answer. This is the adjacent side only. Right? Now we know that sin A value. Sin square A plus cos square A. A means this angle only, na? We don't need to rotate this one, okay? And the sine square is, what is the sine wave formula? Opposite side by hypotenuse. This is opposite side and this is hypotenuse. I am writing directly, and the whole square is there, na? Take the whole square. Right. And here cos square. Cos means adjacent side by hypotenuse. This one is adjacent side and this one is the hypotenuse. You must memorize the all ratios and write individually, but I directly do this problem. I get the 64. 17 square means we know that it's 289. Here 15 square is 225 and 17 square is 289. Now clearly we know the denominators are equal. I am writing here. Denominator are the equal. We can take a one and then write the as this 64 plus 225. Now add this to 289. It is also 289. Then answer was, and the rest of the all problems are